So, you've learned about crypto wallets, private keys, and even blockchain. But now you're probably wondering, where do people actually go to buy and sell cryptocurrencies? The answer lies in something called a crypto exchange. But what exactly is a crypto exchange and how does it really work behind the scenes? Let's break it all down in simple terms. Welcome to PayFunds Academy, a dedicated educational playlist from our main channel, PayFunds. Here, we walk you through the basics to the advanced concepts of crypto and trading, step by step, so you can gain real, reliable knowledge without confusion or hype. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your understanding, this series is built for you. Now, let's get into today's topic. What is a crypto exchange and how does it work? A crypto exchange is an online platform where users can buy, sell, trade, or even convert different cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a digital marketplace, just like a stock exchange. But instead of stocks, you're trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. These platforms connect buyers and sellers and allow them to transact safely, quickly, and efficiently. There are two main types of crypto exchanges: centralized exchanges, often called CEX, and decentralized exchanges, known as DEX. A centralized exchange is operated by a company or organization that acts as a middleman between buyers and sellers. Popular examples include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, high liquidity, and customer support, making them great for beginners. However, since your funds are stored within the platform, it also means you're trusting the exchange with custody of your assets, which is why security and reputation are critical when choosing a centralized exchange. On the other hand, decentralized exchanges operate without any central authority. Instead, they use smart contracts and blockchain technology to allow users to trade directly with one another, peer to peer. Examples include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. With DEX, you keep full control of your funds at all times, and there's no need to deposit crypto into someone else's platform. However, they may come with a steeper learning curve, limited customer support, and sometimes lower liquidity. So, how does a crypto exchange work behind the scenes? When you place an order to buy or sell, the platform adds your request to what's called the order book, a live list of buy and sell offers. If your buy price matches someone's sell price or vice versa, the trade is executed. This process happens in real time and is fully automated on most platforms. Some exchanges also offer instant swap features where users can convert one crypto into another without going through the order book, usually at market rate. Many exchanges also require users to complete a KYC, Know Your Customer, process to comply with regulations. This typically means verifying your identity with documents before you can deposit or withdraw large amounts. In short, a crypto exchange is the gateway between you and the crypto world. It's where you begin your journey, whether you're investing, trading, or simply converting your assets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to PayFunds for more clear, authentic, and beginner-friendly crypto content. PayFunds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom,